Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconut, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Speed Demon by Justin Bieber. Now, this is a finger picking style guitar lesson, so that means you're not going to be needing a pick, you're just going to be needing your hands. The tuning for this song is going to be E flat, so that just means tune everything standard and then make it flat. So you got an E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, and then E flat for the tuning. So get yourself a tune, and then we're gonna start on this lesson. Okay, let's take a look at Speed Demon by Justin Bieber. So we got one main riff that we're gonna be taking a look at because that's progressed throughout the entire song really. But again, we are doing this with a finger picking mentality. So you're just really plucking 3 strings and you're gonna be doing that with your thumbs getting your lower 2, and then you're gonna be using the pointer finger and then the middle finger to grab your upper 2. Okay, so you'll see what I mean in a sec. So our first chord we got is a C sharp, it's minor 7. So that's gonna be a bar on your 4th fret. Okay, so you're gonna hit 4th of the A, and then 4th of the G, and then a 5 of the B. But again, you're barring that 4th fret there. So you got, okay, that's your first chord. That shape, again, now we're gonna just slide it. So now you're gonna be on the 2nd fret, all right, of the A, and then 4th of the G and the B. That's a B chord. Okay, and again, keeping that similar idea of just plucking those 3. So you got this first chord, and it's a staccato type of play. So really just quick staccato, you know, bop. Instantly muted in a sense, but that's the first 2. So. Okay, next chord, you're gonna come on down. It's a G sharp 7, sus4, quite the chord here. And that's a 4th fret of the E, and again, barring these, 4th fret of the E, and then a 4th fret of the D, and then a 6th of the G. Playing all 3 together. So now you got this. Right? Now, take that shape, and now we're gonna come on down here to our F sharp. So the F sharp is the 2nd fret of the E, and then a 4th fret of the D, and a 3rd fret of the G. Plucking all 3 of those together again, and that's, you know, with that thumb getting your low string, and then pointer and the middle finger getting the highers. Okay, so now we got this. Now we have one little pull off, if you will, that we're doing. So we're gonna do a 4-3, and that's on our G string. So, and then we go into that final chord. So on that F sharp chord, we have a pull off right after from 4-3 on the G. And then we go into our E. Okay, so that's gonna sound like this. And then we go into that final chord, which is just an E, but again, we're just doing that finger plucking. So we got an open on our E, and then a 2nd of the D, and then a 1st of our G. Okay, and that's really the entire riff. So we can play that together slowly, and you know, hopefully you can get this down. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at our bridge section, and that's pretty much the entirety of the song once you get the main riff and this down. So first chord is an F sharp, right? But it's a little different. So we got this second, okay, on our E, and then a fourth of our D, third fret of the G, and then your bar in this second fret, so then second of the B. And you're gonna pluck that, thumbs get in that first low 2 on the E, and then you're gonna pluck all 3 with your pointer, middle, and then ring finger of those upper 3. And you're playing all 4 of those simultaneously. Hopefully you're seeing my right hand there. Okay? And then you just hold that chord and you're just gonna arpeggiate and do the 4, 3, 2. So just hold that shape and then arpeggiate up. And then you go to this. So that's just a 4, 3, 4 on your D, G, and B. But you're playing all 3 together. And then it goes right back to that first chord. So all together, so we got first chord, right? Arpeggiate now. Okay, so that's just boom, back to that first chord. All right, then we go into the next little section. So play that same chord again. And then we got, so that's just an E major 7. So that's open on our E, and then you got a 4 on your G and a 4 on your B. And then again, similar idea, arpeggiate. So, and that's gonna be second of the D to the 4 of the G to the 4 of the B. So first, okay, let's just play what we got so far, right? First chord again, then we switch, arpeggiate. Okay, so that next part then, you're just gonna hit 4 and 4 right after we do the arpeggi. All right, and then we're gonna 4 and 4. So 4 and 4 is on the G and the B, and then right to the E. So just an E chord, we learned that earlier. So that's open on the E, and then second fret of the D, first fret of the G, and then getting in that open this time of the B, playing the full. And then, oop, and then just repeats. So the second half is just once you do the arpeggio, excuse me, hit that 4 to the E, and then E again, and then 4 and 4. And then go back to that starting chord of our F sharp. And that just repeats. Okay, so let me just play that really slow. Hopefully that's making sense for you, but here is the bridge section. Oh, let's just go slow. And that's pretty much the entirety of Speed Demon. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on Justin Bieber's song, Speed Demon. If this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.